Previous year question from haloalkanes and haloarenes. Which of the following molecules has a chiral center correctly labeled with asterisks? So these four compounds are given to us. We need to identify the correctly labeled chiral center, or which molecule is having the correctly labeled chiral center. Now what do you mean by a chiral center or a chiral carbon? A carbon atom in an organic molecule bonded to four different atoms or groups of atoms. That is called a chiral carbon. So if we open out these structures and write, we can see the first one is having, the label is on this carbon. So it is this. This is not chiral because on this carbon, there is one CH3 here, one CH3 here. So all groups are not different. So this is not chiral. What about this? Here we can see one hydrogen, here a CH3 group, here a Cl, and here a CH2Br. So all these four groups are different. So this is correctly labeled. So option B is correct. Then let us check the others. On this, here we can see this carbon was labeled. Now this is having a hydrogen here and OH here. But on either side you have a CH2OH. So these two groups are the same. So this is not chiral. All four groups are not different. What about this? Here this carbon is having two CH3 groups attached and two bromines attached. So all four are not different. Two groups are there. So this is not a chiral center. So only this one, that is having different groups attached to the carbon. So option B will be the correct choice. That is a carbon atom in an organic molecule bonded to four different atoms or groups of atoms. You call it a chiral carbon, and that is the correct answer.